you in need of maybe some fast cash, or maybe you're tired of the Craigslist trolls? Well, if you're hitting the road and in need of a car, McCloskey Service and Repair has you covered.
Our Krista Wodiak is out there with more on how you can get the best deal for your vehicle.
How do we get the best deal, Krista? How do we do it?
We're doing good. We're doing good here. Back again with owner Joe, and we got the parts and service director Matt over here. But we're going over to you, Joe. We talked with Matt a little bit earlier about the vehicle selection. Kind of tell me a little bit what makes your vehicle such a great buy.
Well, one of the biggest things that make our vehicle a great buy is this year we introduced the exclusive McCloskey lifetime powertrain warranty.
Wow.
So what that means is when somebody purchases a vehicle from us, a special group, and the vehicle qualifies, then for the entire time that they own the vehicle, could be for the lifetime, we'll warranty the engine, the transmission, transfer case, drive axles, and rear end, both parts and labor for the entire time, for the entire lifetime that they own the vehicle.
Wow.
We'll warranty that for them. So it's an incredible value. In addition to that, of course, we're known for the $4,000 for your trade.
Yes.
So regardless of age, mileage, or condition, we'll pay we'll pay a minimum of $4,000 for their trade.
Krista, last week we had a vehicle come in on 2 tow trucks.
2 tow trucks?
2 tow trucks.
Yeah, it's one vehicle on 2 tow trucks.
One vehicle, 2 tow trucks.
And we still paid them $4,000 minimum for their trade.
Wow.
And plus, we're known for, if their trade's worth more, certainly, then we're known for paying the highest trade-in allowances in the state.
So Matt, what do you guys tell me now?
We have the largest independent auto dealer repair and service facility in the state. We have 38 bays spanning 4 facilities, Joe's Car and Truck Repair, All Make Service, McCloskey's Car and Truck Repair, and in the Appearance Center. We work on everything. We work on engines, transmissions, brakes, tires, suspension. We do it all here at McCloskey Motors as far as getting cars ready for the lot and helping customers on the street and making everything we can safe and ready to drive.
So when the tease a little bit, I did introduce Drew, who you said is the state's best technician. So tell me a little bit about your technicians here.
Our technicians are thoroughly trained, obviously, which most technicians are, but what makes our technicians exclusive is that they have the equivalent of a PhD in automotive repair, which is and the one thing is you know, most franchise service departments work only on just the brand of vehicle, and they specialize in the branded vehicle that they carry.
Yeah.
Since we're an independent dealer and we carry all brands, all of our technicians can repair every make and model that's out there. From, as you see behind us, we have a Maserati, then we're Dodge or Ford or Chevy or Subaru. Whatever it is, we can certainly repair the vehicle for the customers. And we're open to the public, obviously.
I know, and you had Drew working on you had him on a Wrangler to the Maserati. He's got it all.
He's got both in his bag. Yeah, that's right.
And something I want to point out too is you guys do a lot more than just repair cars.
We do. We have the Appearance Center. They detail cars. They do light body work. If you need your vehicle to have an extreme makeover, have the paint touched up, get the smell out of it, make it shiny, beautiful, they're the place to go.
And by the way,
so
speaking of that, Matt, you know, we detail cars and you get that fresh new car smell, but we took the liberty of going through your car and we found all of these air fresheners. So maybe it's time you bring your car into our Appearance Center and we'll get it detailed for you.
Joe, you know what? That makes sense.
Yeah, I can't believe you had all these hanging in. Woo!
Well, thank you guys. All right, we're here at McCloskey Motors. Like they said, they've got it all when it comes to repairs, when it comes to cars, when it comes to trading, when it comes to sense. They know what they're talking about here at McCloskey Motors. For more information, head to that website, which is, Matt?
BigJoeAuto.com or BigJoeService.com.
You got it. You heard it here first. We'll be coming up more with more from McCloskey Motors and how you can get your service detailed, serviced, and get you a new car and get you on the road. Tossing it back to you guys in the studio.
Being sponsored by McCloskey Motors, and I'm going to toss it over to Kenny, who's with Tracy's Flooring.